What up, you two guys, man? Oodie Oo back in with another video. I thought this would have been an interesting video for you guys tomorrow, called Bimmer City by Urban Canvas, something like that. And I was gonna get these these V-band clamps installed on my exhaust, cause freaking I keep having these exhaust leaks from the flanges mid pipe to the header part. So basically I bought these V-band clamps to basically get rid of that. The Bimmer show is about like an hour away, and I'm not about to be smelling exhaust fumes through my AC fucking the whole way to the event. So that's why I already bought these. So I'm gonna head to the exhaust shop and basically get those installed, and see you guys when I get there and let you guys know everything's going on. Let's fire this puppy up. Dead battery. See, man, you see what happens, man, when you don't drive the whips, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta jump start it. So let's go get the jump box. Jump box. Let's go get this. Yeah, I gotta clean up the freaking trunk too before all this vinyl and stuff. Clean that up. And, a tee my buddy made me to basically kind of replicate the car, inspire. Probably rock that tomorrow, actually. But caps from wherever. So let's hook this up. There we go. Okay, let's turn this thing on. And let's car. Let's see if it fires up. Oh, it's dead. Okay. That didn't work. So jump box dead. Let me go grab some jumper cables and pull one of the cars. Let me go grab that. Actually, we're gonna pull this Infinity out because my Infinity, if I leave the lights on for a good like 20-30 minutes, like it dies. So I don't really like using that just because it does that. This car, stay like this battery freaking on the Beamer, dude, this freaking big battery, I can stay for like freaking hours, like without starting it, playing music, and it started right back. But I guess it's because of letting it sit, because freaking I cleaned it for a car meet, like an hour away, but I didn't end up going. So it's been clean ever since, but it's been sitting ever since as well. So that's probably why it died. But it was like 2 weeks, I said. So yeah, so we're about to freaking start it with this one. Let me fire this one up, actually. Let's get started, guys. Cause I gotta go to the exhaust shop. This freaking... See, I don't understand about this Infinity as well. It's keyless, but you still turn it to ignition. Rather than just push. No. That V8 power. Alright. See the Bimmer right there? I think the battery's on that side of this car and the Beamer's on this side, so I think the jumper cables will reach. I'm gonna find out right now. But like I said, this one's over here. Come on! Let me put you guys down. Alright. So, there. So I'm gonna sit you guys down right here while I freaking connect these things. So it should crank over now. And for some of you guys that ask why I don't have to push in the clutch, because it's manual swap. It was automatic before the manual swap, so I didn't wire up the neutral safety switch, so that's all why. But we got money. Alright, car's finally out. You know, freaking out to zip tie this piece though. Oh crap. I had to zip tie this piece right here to stay up because I have a bumper off because I was fixing like little imperfections on it. I'll show you guys that later. And I'm about to go to the exhaust shop, so I'm about to leave it off so it's able to get up there. Makes sense. Well, it gets up there, it just gets up there easier, you know. So that's that. Let me zip this part. Pretty nice, trying to get dirty. How to do it, make it. Doesn't rub, so that should work till we get back. I think I'm gonna touch up this piece as well, this piece, and there's another piece. When you wrap cars yourself, this is what happens. You know, little imperfection, because it's the first time too, so it all worked out. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's head to the exhaust shop to get these V-bands put on. So basically, because the car's clean from the last car I was gonna go to, so we're all good on that. So basically I'm just gonna wipe it down. I'll wipe it down, no, I'll wipe it down later, and then clean up the interior stuff, man. We'll be good to go, guys. Go head to the exhaust shop in the meanwhile. Hit that subscribe button for me, guys. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos and stuff, and stay tuned. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, man, I made it to the exhaust shop. Basically, it took me to wait about 20 minutes to basically see what I'm trying to accomplish, I guess. But it's just two flanges that I need cut off to put these V-band clamps on because I keep coming back for exhaust leaks. So I'm just gonna fix it with these V-band clamps and be good to go. So we're just waiting on the, I'm gonna say a GT350, maybe a regular 5R. Can't really tell. We finished up that, then I'm gonna roll in and then we're gonna put my car on the left and go from there and see what happens. Hit that subscribe button, guys, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the rest of the content, guys. We've been flowing, you know? I don't know if you guys check out the C20 video, that thing's gonna turn out sick. When we drop that video on when we finish wrapping that video's gonna be sick. That truck's gonna be sick. Stay tuned for that also. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so pretty much you guys seen that basically we got the car up and then basically just brought it back down because it wasn't leaking from the flanges, so basically I didn't even need the V-band clamps. But I did have a hole on, like by the weld on my X pipe, so basically just tacked that up and that was it. Like he even like did to listen for the exhaust leak with the little doctor little thing in the ears, and he goes up and stuff. But no exhaust leak, so that was good to go. But for the most part, for just throwing the freaking bumper over here on there, and then basically just prep for tomorrow's event, which is Bimmer City out there in, I believe, Studio RSR. And yeah, I'm still debating on if I want to tag along with the caravan, go solo. Probably tag along with the caravan so I'll be back earlier, because traffic is hectic coming from out that, like the beach cities and all that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, and you know, stay tuned for the next video, which will be Bimmer City, and we're gonna have a good time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next one.